What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Da's World. Thank you for joining me for another video. So today it's gonna be a little bit different. Our morning routine so come along with me and let's get ready for the morning. The tale yima shote le yigashite we are lucky by your mom. So the first thing that I like to do is just to have a little prayer. So by your we are lucky ne yiga kledaya mi le udo yiga ketekto weda yelo mi mo. So after prayer I like to make my bed, make sure it's nice and neat, and so that it doesn't distract me or anything like that. So kewe tale yikama gado hane kewe dida plana da quina mo. Obviously the next thing that I do is obviously washing my face, brushing my teeth, and just tying up my hair and everything, making sure that I look nice and neat, ready for my day. So plame tome we are looking ye puwada ye skin care mo ye ta pumele ye punyo nu every day mo akewada the blood khone aleda nat kene ta tnui ta shogota ke mo ida tene awe ye puwada ta pume de pai thobolo mo ke ne akole snail cream mo pume puna. So you me pume me wina we ya mafura da no we wama dito katura we clear go da you ka pura da athara ka katimo. Okay, next one is okay balm, a moisturizing balm, repairing. Every day no that is by my every goni demo de me lo weekend I go on again so I get a little weekday I go more. So I want to suggest that always let your face dry first before you apply another cream or another product on top. Our tobo ne beba ma khitome ta wi mamo pugoda tapume atarkhamo. So after that I should have really put some sunscreen on. But I can see that I was lazy that day, so I didn't put any sunscreen on. Tobo ne baba put sunscreen on. The tobo na ge ba you put sunscreen on na ke taranina you takke da hone. Bam le the manome you ohi hone you the put sunscreen on na ke tobo ne put sunscreen on. And after that I would put a little bit of blush on. So that I don't look like a corpse walking around or seeing myself in the mirror. It's a big no-no for me, okay? Me wine tobone ye puada ta yon podite kani pota po le ye bopa me le ye ta ko me ma me wine ye tuada pop ma le ye ta plutui adobo lo me ye bloody ta fufu me o freckle me o ma. So I use pop to cover and also to get rid of my dark spot. It really helps with getting rid of dark spots. So what I do next is I like to go into the kitchen and to clean any dirty dishes that needs to be cleaned, tidy up, and clean the benches. Pume we are lucky ne akewara yele tao milo ta pao milo mo yele kwa me loko le batik shomi ora imacho de yetwa lo wada go la benches the bweko ta po them da de mo. So later I like to make my tea you all la pa mommy winnie you ma la pa with a la pa le all and I get green tea now. I usually drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every morning if I have time, that is. Some morning if I'm rushing, then I won't have time to drink that many cups, so I try to drink as many as I can before any solid food. So this is my way of detoxing my body. Akerai wini akewe yamakashobada yahupuno yapuye kapumi we bloody otimi wini akerai. I do number 2. Leta halomo. So at the same time, I like to drink tea and also get some UV light, get some vitamin D in. I get a go kone or la pa shutone yele taklemo yele dollar that I'm mudite ni likni ba vitamin D go mo. I will mean go. Just overall good for our immune system and as well our general health as well. After getting some vitamin D from the sun, I like to come back into the kitchen and prepare myself one of my superfood, chai or chai seed. Please do look up what the benefits of chai seed is. Endless list. It is amazing for your digestive system, your circulation. So I can yima awara pochiklia tea, pochikli ni akewe gile peno ko tarita badodu yamo awe ko kalawa kola chai seed timienda tinya arani tihu tinya aratino awe gile peno ko tashu kli amimyu lakune. And of course, if time permits, I like to make myself a breakfast. Just easy, quick, light breakfast. So, koni pedai shauto me oni ye aweda breakfast ma that ni wina kekewra croissant sandwich. So today is croissant sandwich. It usually changes, but very light, very easy, and sometimes I don't get to eat breakfast. The blah blah le aradikimo le tapita mami o taleta kimi o hodi yita all breakfast bana. For my croissant sandwich, I like to put 1 slice of cheese and then bacon. The croissant sandwich I want to go open with cheese the bacon, and then I'll toast them in the oven. While waiting for the croissant to be toasted, I slice up some avocado. I give it a avocado croissant. And as you can see, there's also tomatoes that I will be putting on my croissant sandwich. Over the kochida na le sandwich akubuna. pe yo khobera ye croissant akane akewe ye ko we wera ye pochiklia timo. Cheers. So while waiting for the croissant, I'm drinking the cherry seed water. Yay! The croissant is toasted. Pamako croissant avabulina akeke ne yeka penilawara avocado. Avocado ne agile bogodumana akewe so le below le benagajago ne agilana avocado ne. So we're putting on the veggies and getting it ready. Yum, look delicious, all ready to go. So this is a very healthy and easy breakfast to make. If you guys don't usually have time, this can take a bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's all that your body needs. So I give it a thought, give it a thought of my own with a thought of the berry babago. I hope that nitima omitini maupoikina. And so that complete my morning routine. After that, I do whatever I need to do for the rest of the day. So kewara yama order me we bloody yam morning routine really na. So thank you for joining me. I hope you guys get something out of this video. I hope it helps you in some ways. And lastly, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more. God bless you. Bye.